A very good morning, children. Well, in today's class of economic application, we shall continue chapter 6 of your text, that is the main sectors of Indian economy, where we were focusing specially on agriculture. Okay. Well, in today's class, we shall discuss what is an agriculture and, of course, the role of agriculture in Indian economy. So these are the topic that we are going to discuss in today's class. But before that, let us make a bit of recap on what we did in the last class. Well, in the last class, we discussed about the three main sectors of Indian economy. That is the private sector, which is also known as agricultural sector, secondary sector, which is also known as industrial sector, and tertiary sector, also known as service sector. So, well, these are the topic we discussed in the last class. Okay, as I said just now, today's topic is what is agriculture, and of course, we are going to talk about the role of agriculture in Indian economy. Okay, so let us begin. First of all, the meaning of agriculture. Okay, see, the term agriculture in English language, okay, is derived from two words. Okay, first is agri. What does agri mean? Agri means field, and culture. Culture means cultivation. Okay, so agriculture refers to a practice, or it is a science of farming, which includes cultivation of soil and growing of crops. Okay, and besides this, when we say agriculture, it also includes the rearing of animals, okay, to fulfill the demand for, say, wool, food, and other products. So all these activities comes in agriculture. All right, now we're going to see the role of agriculture in Indian economy. Well, you see, agriculture in India is the backbone of Indian economy. All right, so in spite of the fact that a lot of emphasis has been laid on the industrial development during the last few decades, but still agriculture continues to occupy a very important place in our economy. Okay, so the importance of agriculture in Indian economy can be best judged, from the following facts that I'm going to discuss below. All right. So the first point we are going to talk is the share of agriculture in the national income. All right. See, as you know, I've already told that India is an agricultural economy. Okay, so although the share of agriculture in the total national income has been gradually decreasing, why? Because of the fact that on the account of the fact that the development of other sectors are growing. That is, which sector? Secondary sector and service sector. Okay, but still its contribution, continues to be significant. That is, the contribution of agriculture continues to be very important. Okay, so if you make a comparison, in 1950-51, the share of agriculture in the national income was 59%, but now it has come down to 17%. That is, according to the record in 2016-17. Okay, so but still, agriculture still continues to play a very important role in the growth of what? Socio-economic sector in the country. Okay. Okay, now let us see another important contribution or the role of agriculture in Indian economy. Agriculture is the largest, employment producing sector in the country. Okay, so it is the main source of employment. So in India, agriculture is the main source of employment. About 43% of the total labor force, they depend upon agriculture for their livelihood. Okay, if you compare, if you compare to the record of 1950-51, the percentage was about 72%, but today it has reduced to how much? It has come down to 43%. All right. So due to the rapid increase in the population, the absolute number of the people involved in agriculture has increased enormously. All right. The next important contribution of agriculture is that agriculture plays a very important role in industrial development. Okay, so the next point is that it provides a raw material for industrial development. Okay, so agriculture provides a raw material to our leading industries like cotton and jute textile industries, sugar and banaspati industries, etc. You understood? So these industries, what they depend upon, what agriculture for their raw material. The next point is, agriculture also provides a market for a number of industrial goods. Okay, see, a purchasing power of a rural people is a valuable motivation to the industrial development, which means that, a wider market for the industrial product can be possible only when, Indian farmers are prosperous. Okay, so agriculture also what provides a very important market for the products that has been produced in the industrial sector. Okay, so it is a very important agriculture not only provides raw material to the industrial sector, but it also provides a market for the products that has been produced by the various industries. Okay, well, another very important role or a contribution of agriculture is that, agriculture plays a very important or a significant role in the international trading activities. Okay, a number of agricultural commodities like cereals, mostly say rice, okay, tea, coffee, spices, and tobaccos, they constitute our main items of export. Okay, so this way, total export, if you see today, the total export have increased from 6.9% in 2010-11 to 9.8% in 2011-12. Okay, so, besides this, agriculture is also a very important source of labor supply, especially for the urban areas. Agriculture provides a large number of laborers, both, semi-skilled or unskilled, which are needed for the various economic activities in the, urban areas, such as, say, construction, construction workers for the construction, business, or casual jobs like rickshaw pullers and various such activities. Okay, so these are the important, these are some of the important role or the contribution of agriculture in the various field that we discussed today. All right, so anyways, we're going to stop here for now. In coming up class, we shall continue the topic, and there we shall discuss about the various causes of low productivity of or the problems of Indian agriculture. All right, till then, stay connected and stay tuned.